Hello everyone, my name is Tim and I'm one of the product specialists here at SpyCentre Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. And I'm here today to talk to you guys about the Pro USB flash drive audio recorder with 25-day standby. So this looks just like a normal USB flash drive that would use to back up data, your photos, that type of thing right onto, which means that it's not going to draw any suspicion at all if you had it laying on your desk or in your pocket. But hidden inside the body is actually a voice-activated microphone capable of picking up over 30 feet away. This recorder also time and date stamps every file to make it really easy to track down a specific recording. There are two modes for this recorder. You can either do continuous or voice-activated recording. The battery life allows for up to 24 hours of non-stop recording. However, if you utilize the voice-activated feature, it will actually go to sleep when there isn't any noise. This greatly conserves battery life, allowing the unit to sleep for up to 25 days. Next up, I'm going to show you how to start and stop a recording, along with a demonstration of the audio quality. Take a listen. Hello everyone, today what we're doing is a quality demonstration for the Pro USB audio recorder. Now we're going to do a couple of different tests for you guys here in our storefront today, and to do these tests we actually have to start a recording. Let me show you guys how to do it. So located on the top of the USB there's a little half circle wheel, and if you look very closely you'll see a line right here and you'll see two dots on this side. So if I take this wheel and I spin it towards the solid line, that'll cause the recorder to record continuously, and if I move it towards the two dots, that makes it record only when it hears noise. So for today's testing purposes, we're going to make it record continuously. So all I do is I take this little wheel and I slide it right there. And if you look closely, and if I remove the cap, you'll actually see a red light turn on right there. And when that red light goes away, that indicates to you that you've started a recording. So at this point in time, all of the audio you're hearing currently is actually being done by the device itself. Now to give you an idea of the size of our store, it's 20 feet wide by 30 feet long. Now the first test we're going to do for you today is a conversation test, and for that test I'm going to take the Pro USB audio recorder and put it in my pocket.
How you doing, Kenny?
Doing great, how are you?
Good, thank you.
So this is something we've been doing for years in our retail locations to demonstrate the audio quality of our recorders. This test is done in a normal speaking volume.
Awesome. So for the next test we're going to do is a distance test, and for that test we're going to put the Pro USB audio recorder on a shelf. This is a test at 10 feet. This is a test at 20 feet. And finally, this is the test of the Pro USB audio recorder at 30 feet. The 8 GB of internal memory will allow you to store up to 288 hours of audio on the flash drive at a single time. When you need to recharge the battery or listen to the recordings, simply plug the entire thing directly into your PC. The USB interface is built right in, so there isn't any cables to lose at all. Now keep in mind that a Windows-based computer is required to set the time and date up. Part of what makes SpyCentre truly the Spy Gear Superstore and sets us apart from other spy stores out there is the fact that we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. We've also been in business for over 20 years and have served tens of thousands of customers. Our support staff will ensure that you find the perfect product to fit your needs. We offer free ground shipping, discreet billing, free lifetime technical support, and we are also open on Saturdays to better assist you. If you guys have any questions about anything at all, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. You can find us online via live chat or by telephone at 1-800-292-7748.